Hey guys, we're going to be making Greek chicken. So if there's one thing I'm good at, that is cooking for sure. And I find some of the best recipes and then I dress them up to make them even better. So we're going to start off here with ingredients. Now these ingredients are set for to make more marinade or less marinade. You decide if you want more or not, and you can do the upgraded version of that ingredient. So first we're going to start off with red wine vinegar. Now if you want more marinade, you can do a half cup of the red wine vinegar, but I'm doing 1/3 cup. One thing about red wine vinegar, it smells delicious. It's something I use all the time. Now we're adding in the extra virgin olive oil. Okay, that's perfect for what I'm needing today. We're going to pour that right in with the red wine vinegar. That's beautiful colors right there, guys. Okay, so next, this is Dale's marinade. I use this instead of soy sauce because it's a little more tart. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of that in and pouring it into the other mixture. You wouldn't think that this would mix very well, but it does. So next we're going to put in some restaurant style thick coarse pepper, and it's about a tablespoon. So we're going to sprinkle in some oregano. So that's about a tablespoon. You can always add a little bit more if you love oregano. Right here, I'm going to add approximately about a whole lemon. It really depends on what you're feeling on eating that day. If you like it a little bit more tart, you can add more lemon if you like. But I find in most cases 1 lemon or 1 lemon and a half, depending on the size of the lemon, is usually more than enough. Okay, for our next ingredient, we're going to add in some chopped fresh garlic. The aroma off of fresh garlic, that's one of my favorite aromas in the world, guys. Love it. So we're going to stir that up. I decided to add just a tiny bit of more lemon and salt. So about 1 tablespoon even of salt. I'm going to swish that around, and you can see that for a liquid and the oil, it mixes beautifully. Okay, so I've already pounded out this chicken to where it's level, so it cooks more evenly. It also makes it a little bit more tender. And it's time to add this into the marinade and make sure that it's covered very well, guys. Make sure that you rub it in there, give it a good bath. You need to make sure that you get both sides. And what I do is, if they're pretty big pieces of chicken, I'll stack them on top of each other, and then just every 30 minutes or so, I'll dunk them into this marinade and then switch them in positions a little bit. That's just gorgeous, isn't it? It's one of my favorite marinades. And actually, you can get some bassami rice and cook some onions and green peppers, and then make you a yogurt dressing and pour it over the rice and chicken and onion and green pepper. Mix it all up well. That is so good, guys. Alright, so we're going to cover it, then we're going to refrigerate it for at least 5 hours. And like I said, you can change the chicken around to make sure it's got, you know, even marinating. But at this point, it's time to put it on the grill. So you're going to make sure that when you cook your chicken on the grill, that you sear it the first 3 minutes that you cook it on a grill, so on high heat. Then you're going to turn the heat down and cook it until it's done. So get a meat thermometer would be the best thing to do. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy this. This is one of our favorite meals. It's delicious. So if you like this, please subscribe and like. It takes a lot of work to make these videos, and I will see you soon.